Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to a daily update. Today is the 13th of Jan. Just thought I'd quickly go through what's happening in the markets. It's currently 4:45 p.m. UK time. So we can see the dollar's had a bit of a bid, up 0.19% to 1, but generally everything seems to be a bit down. So the S&P 500 is down 0.25%, the UK 100 is down 0.48%. Let's go back to commodities. So oil's touched a bit of a bid there, so it's up 2% on the day so far. So basically, let's get back to my portfolio really of stuff I own. I've had a pretty bad day. I don't own Bitcoin, but Bitcoin market's down 2%, which generally speaking kind of pushes everything else down. So ETH is 6.161%, ADA is 4.47%, and XRP is down 0.74%. So that's still actually quite high considering the rest of the altcoins. And I'd imagine that was something to do with everyone kind of loading into that before the decision on the 15th or 16th, I believe, of January. Heading to stocks. The VDF's down 2%, so tech's down. AMD's only down 0.78%, which is 0.8% now, which is not too bad considering some of the drops it had last week, which I imagine is exactly why it's not down much further. One that I'm a bit buzzed about is the Taiwan Semiconductor. It's had a really good run up, and actually quite last week saying that it was actually over 50 billion extra in sales than projected. So it's quite surprising that actually it's going down a bit. But I guess the whole market's going down. So they're the major suppliers for the video and AMD and Microsoft and for the chips and stuff like that. So not too much of a surprise. AI, they're going down 5%. Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust down just below 1%. Exchange Corp 1.57, down 2.5%. Blackstone Group down 0.68%, and then UPAF down 2.23. Finally, in my portfolio, I have the ETFs. Obviously, the gold ETFs down 1%. The Vanguard Total World Stock Effect ETF down 0.7%. The emerging markets ETF down 1.5%, and the QQQ down 5.83%. So generally, it's down across the board pretty much. I'm still in profit in some of my positions. This is just a kind of demo position, demo account that I show for my keep my actual figures and stuff confidential, which I like to do. However, if you'd like to follow me, there is a link down in the description with my eToro, so you can see there exactly what it is I invest in, percentages I weight my portfolio in, and I update most days on that. And also, the other option is if you can't bother to obviously weight them all and monitor and re-weight them all, you can just actually follow me from up to $200, I think you put in there, and then it automatically allocates each percentage of position the same as I do. You can get back over my past record, which again is I think it's about 44% for the last 2 years. So it gives you an idea of kind of my profile I kind of aim for. I kind of aim for that middle ground. I don't try and hit out the stars, and I just try and maintain a consistent profit throughout the time. Hence why my risk score is about 5 currently. I have added a few extra positions to this last night, and I will probably add a few more today, which is some of the balance I had cash sitting on the side, just to kind of take advantage. When the market drops, it's a great time to get involved because obviously you're buying the prices as low as they may go lower, but at least you'll get a discount as to if you were buying them higher. So it's a great time to be thinking about entering the market. But again, be careful because it might go lower. It's kind of the investment I do is more of a buy. If it goes lower, great. As long as nothing fundamentally has changed, I'll keep on it. And then obviously it just averages down my position cost for each element of my portfolio. I'm not looking to kind of pull out next week and take all the profit. So it is a long-term thing. So these dips do help to keep the averages nice and low. So if you have any questions, obviously get in touch, comment, like, subscribe, do all that great stuff for me. And I'll try and update daily if I possibly can. And we'll go from there. Until next time, hope you go well. And if you have any questions, like I say, just put them in the comments below. Cheers, guys.